Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another episode in the series of What's on the Shovel. And today I'm going to be cooking this stuff here, which is belly pork. First thing was to clean a shovel because it was actually used to shovel some casting sand with the other day and it's lost its lovely non-stick ability, so we'll have to re-season the shovel. Right, we need some decent heat on there, get it warm, and we'll get some dripping onto it and get it seasoned, and then we'll get the pork on. Right, this is beef dripping, the proper stuff. So the whole shovel's coated. And the excess is removed. What I want to do is get a nice charred coating on the shovel, which will be non-stick. The thing with dripping is you can get it hot and smoking and it won't make you bad. Olive oil and some vegetable oils do break down and produce horrible toxins seemingly. Right, that's pretty good. It's good to go now with that. And people say, I don't know what germs, there's no germs on there. It's a physical impossibility, there's any germs living on that bastard. This is the belly pork. It contains a lot of fat, but the idea of cooking them is to get the fat nice and crispy. I think I'll get them all on here, but I know I will. Right, these are starting to take shape now. See all the fat been running out of them. Get a bit nice colour as well. I haven't got an excessive heat on here, just a nice slow. Right, they're kind of getting about ready now. Nice and crispy. The fat that's coming out, the drip that's coming out will be kept. It's ideal for making fried bread, which is not really a health food, but every now and then it's not going to hurt you. You need something to keep the dripping in. Oh, you bastard. Be alright. And keep the golden elixir. These are probably best with a little bit of English mustard on them. Right, so it's kind of just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, a bonny lad. Oh yes, absolutely. Crunchy but tender, spot on. Absolutely splendid.